Land, air and water. The land, air, water Montessori activity is a hands-on activity that teaches children about the interconnectedness of the three essential components of the environment: land, air and water. The activity is suitable for children from 3 to 6 years old or preschool to kindergarten level. In Montessori education, teaching about land, air and water is an important part of the curriculum. Children are taught about the different properties of each element and how they interact with one another. For example, they learn that land is solid and provides a surface for plants and animals to live on, while water is a liquid that supports aquatic life and helps to shape the land through erosion. The children will take turns exploring each tray, examining the items and identifying their features. They also observe how the components are connected to each other and the resulting effects of their interactions. For example, they will see how rainwater affects the soil, how the wind moves the leaves, and how the fish lives in the water. Thank you.